Good morning, Flickity Flag. We're up on the road there now. I try to go sort out my license. Not that I don't have one, but it expired. I don't know why license expired on people's birthday. But mine expired, so let us pray and hope that we do not get caught this morning on the road without our license. Cool? Okay. Because if we get pulled over in the morning, yeah, who don't know say Babylon are going to lock me up. Which is right. I don't think they're going to lock me up. I'm going to just get a charge. And since lately the prices for these offenses have gone through the roof. Makes sense so that people don't violate them. But in a case where me as a brother now, I drive go actually look for my license, man, I forget a little leeway, brother. I forget a little leeway. I was reminded when I look at my license, because to me as a man, I never really know, say I saw them license thing they work where you expire upon your birthday and all them something there. You know, I think say you just get a couple years for your license, like you get a visa, you get a 10-year license. You see me? But and that's how it work. So you expire upon your birthday, you have to go sort it out. So I'm heading to the tax office now. Hopefully it not take forever, because this is Jamaica more while. Certain little things go on, brother. You have to wonder why the systems them run so slow. Like nobody know their work. And the office full up of people. You can't get through quick. So I'm going to save no long line on a downtown, so you know so no parking. Boy, I tell you, rough. Me updating upon the system still and provide some information for those of you who would like to renew your license but don't really know how to go about it. The internet. What? The information is on the internet if you really want, but you know, sometimes people like to see other people do it because that help them better. Not true? Yeah. So more while the information there you read, you know, really understand it the way you want to understand. You want somebody tell you, say, okay, boop bap, skleep bleep, do it. That's how the thing go though. So me make you know. I think you have to pay about $7,000. The same amount of money you pay to get your license that you have to pay for renew it. I'm not sure. But when we get the right information, I'm going to pass it on to them. They're not traffic now. Regular thing in Kingston. Yeah. You know? It's a staple of the morning breakfast. You wake up and you fry an egg, you drink some water, drink like a mint tea, and you get like a traffic with it. Yeah, I say run up here. So. You can't leave out traffic. You have to make sure you have traffic in your diet, in your breakfast, in the morning, in Kingston. So we'll check back with you now. Anyways, we reached another place, so I time to go over the tax office now and sort out. Man, I can buy parking as usual when you come at the place, you see me? So I can sort that out and go over the tax office over this. Not sort out the parking and go over this, but sort out when we go over this. Alright, so the license plate for it, it costs about $7,200 for renewal. And it's the first door upstairs, so the first door here. Go in at this one. We're going to get it sorted out. Yeah. Shut up, Jake. Shut up your mouth. You chat too much. I play a glint man I get. Alright, so I'm gonna get through people. The entire process take approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. I gotta get that much. From when we reach 9 o'clock. I go in, there were about 6 persons in front of me. Quick breeze. I pay the 7,200. Then them give me the slip. I'm gonna go upstairs. Then join the line upstairs. Give them the documents for them to process it. You fill out the form with them. Yeah, you fill out the form with them give you. Upstairs, when you go upstairs, you get a form, you fill out the form with them give you, then you join the line for handing back the form with your old driver's license and the payment slip where the receipt of the transaction you did downstairs. Then you have to wait for your name for call for you go in the room for you go take the picture. I don't think you need a picture because on them website they say you must carry passport size picture with GP side. Me never carry none. I was going to, but then we did get information saying you don't really need it because they want to take picture when you're going there. So I want to know why that for. What them do that for? I'm guessing that part of the process is for when like somebody come do it for you. So you just send them with the picture and the JP thing. May I guess. But if you are gonna do it yourself, you don't need to carry the picture was signed by a JP. If you are renew your license. If you are renew, you are renew. Okay? So after I go in the room now, them take my picture, it take about 20 minutes for them call my name for me get the license and my renewed license. So I get it. Hold on, this I hold on them punch a hole in that. My new one. Yeah. So I'm legal on the road again, people. I go to the mechanic and I'll get something sort out on the car. One of the balls on there from blow, so I go to the mechanic. Alright? So that's how long it take for you renew your license in Jamaica, yeah. 1 hour and 30 minutes. But remember, say I reach early, you know, I reach early. If you reach late, you might have a problem. And the day when I do it is a Tuesday. So if you try to make them move there, try to do it on a Tuesday. Now, all the people are not knowing me did reach. And the tax office when we go to the one downtown, on the waterfront there, so yeah, the tax office there. I don't know about other tax offices it is. Okay? So anyways, my go to the mechanic now, me talk up to you know, look more if there's anything else to say. Up. People, I'm done at the car wash and thing now. I get some food and then go home, you know. Feel tired and drained. Energy crash out. We linking up, you see me? Oh, come on.